안녕하세요, 재림입니다. Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Dream, and this is Jay. How's everyone's stay-home life going? Because the weather is so beautiful, and we decided to have a home picnic today. We made the typical Korean picnic food. Gimbap is what you bring with you. Do you want to tell them what gimbap literally means?
Sure, so kimbap is kim plus pap.
That's right. And that's the essential ingredient. Kim outside and pap inside. And while we are making that, I'll be using this form a lot, which is used to tell the other person what to do or when you're asking a question. You probably heard this in the dramas or you already know this phrase, please give me. You can use it at the restaurant. For example, please give me more water, 물 좀 주세요. If you use with a verb before it, it becomes like, please give me the action of this. Please do this for me. So you're asking a favor or you are asking the other person to do what you want. 주다, to give, plus this ending, 으세요. Here's 해, subject honorific suffix. In the command or question, who's the subject? You do this. Are you okay? So the other person, the listener, is the subject. So by using 으세요 form, you can politely ask the other person what you want them to do or politely ask about the other person. So that means you can use it to give instructions to, let's say, assemble IKEA furniture or follow the recipe. For the conjugation, it's 아어, which is same as 아요, 어요, the most commonly used conversational ending. If you haven't studied this, follow the link and study how to conjugate into 아요, 어요 form. Oh, please wait a little bit to wait. 기다리다. 기다리 becomes 기다려, 기다려 주세요. Please wait. 기다려 주세요. You'll hear this when we are making this picnic food. Pay attention to this ending. Are you ready to join our picnic? 김밥 재료예요. 김밥, 김, 박스로이. 밥, 당근, 우엉, 단무지, 시금치, 햄, 그리고 달걀이 들어가요. 크리스가 김밥 만들고 있어요. So I made rice and it's so sticky. And so look, it struggled to even spread the rice.
진짜.
We thought we were filming, but it wasn't filming anything. When we were making all this kimbap, we thought we were filming, guys.
진짜.
밥을 얇게 펴주세요. 밥 중간에 재료를 넣어주세요. 이제 말아요. 아주 타이트하게 말아주세요. 꽉 말아요. 오, 좋아. 김밥 repair. 밥으로 끝을 붙여주세요. 참기름을 발라요. 그리고 잘라주세요. 자를 때는 누르면 안 돼요. 살살 잘라주세요. Should we set up the picnic?
Let's set it up.
소풍.
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 Usually you go somewhere, so 소풍 가다.
소풍 가다.
소풍 가요. Serving kimbap. There is a bumblebee here, so we covered it with our microwave cover. 맛있어?
So yeah, those are probably the male carpenter bees. They're just coming around to scare you, to get you to go away. Worked. Did their job.
We came inside.
무서웠어.
무서웠어. 싫어.
Fortunately me.
Well, now we can have fruits out. We still have flowers.
You can still hear the birds. So it's almost like being outside.
Yes. In Korea right now, have this campaign going on called 슬기로운 집콕생활, which means wise stay-home life. Stay home, or when you're stuck at home, in Korean is 집콕. 콕. 콕 is an onomatopoeia for when you're nailing something into something. 콕, stuck at home. 집콕. 방콕, you know, like the capital of Thailand, Bangkok. So bang is room. So when you don't leave your room and just spend all day there playing video games or watch TV and not go outside, people used to call it Bangkok. People used to say, oh, Bangkok, I'm going to Bangkok, but not Bangkok, Thailand, but in your room. So from there, stay home these days is 집콕. The old elementary subject that was called 슬기로운 생활, wise life. And from there have been dramas, 슬기로운 감방 생활, wise prison life. I think the English title was Prison Playbook. And right now on Netflix, there is hospital playlist. In Korean, it's 슬기로운 의사 생활, so wise doctor life. So 슬기로운 집콕 생활, wise stay home life. So we're trying to have wise stay home life.
Bees 나빠.
나빠. 짠.
짠. 맛있어.